He may want to reform France, but first he must protect it.
This law will allow us to end the state of emergency as of the 1st of November, while fully guaranteeing the security of our fellow citizens.
France's emergency measures were imposed after 130 people were killed in Paris in November 2015. They have been renewed 6 times. In that time, another 92 people have been killed in Paris, Nice, Marseille, and elsewhere. This year alone, there have been 11 terror attacks and 14 prevented. And there are new fears of French jihadists returning from Syria and Iraq. Little wonder, perhaps, the public's support for tough new law.
It's true for France and it's true for other countries. You can't really have liberty and democracy cohabit with security. You have to make a choice. And in France, as of now, France has made a choice, and a very clear choice: security.
France's new laws normalise many of the provisions of recent emergency laws. They give France's security services and police force unprecedented power to act without the constraints of the judiciary, and for some, that has serious consequences for France's civil rights, particularly the civil rights of this country's Muslim population. Muslim leaders are predictably concerned the new law will become a license to harass.
We're scared that this law in practice will target a person's appearance, the colour of their skin, their religious belief, the way they dress, the way they speak. We're scared this law will be misinterpreted and that Muslims will be targeted quite simply.
The police now have greater freedom to conduct raids and impose house arrest. Activists insist this will increase the suspicion and isolation of French Muslims when what is needed is engagement and cooperation. The reality is France's new president can't take the risk. He knows his legacy could be defined as much by how he deals with terrorism as by how he modernizes France's economy. Civil rights may suffer, but for now the new law has overwhelming support. Simon